Alright, what up, y'all? So, I feel like I ain't made a video in a minute, but I finally got around to changing this power steering line, which I didn't record it and I threw away the line. But this is the part number 80230. It's the high pressure. From what it looks like, that's the one that's always going out on these vets, the C5s, the C6s, all of them. So, uh, what you need is a Crowfoot's wrench, one of these right here. This is an 18. This is what you need to actually get the line loose on the bottom. And then for the top, I just used a 16, like a regular wrench. I bought one of these just in case with the actual Crowfoot style or whatever. But didn't really use this because it's kind of hard to reach. But basically, I'll give you a kind of quick look. But you need both of these, and then you need a 15 and a 13 ratchet. So quick rundown. Alternator got to come off. So it's a 15 here, 15 like right under there. 2 bolts get the alternator off. The belt is also a 15 if you didn't know, but that over there. Tensioner, you get your belt off, get your alternator off. This is a 13 millimeter to undo this right here. And this plug, once you got the alternator off, maybe you can see. There we go. So that right there is the line. That's where you need that 18, the Crowfoot. It's real weird to reach. You can reach down in it like this. This will get you on the line. You can reach it from above. If you got the wheel off, you can reach it through here. And it's weird to see, but there we go. So hard to see, but if you got the wheel off, you can reach it through there. But once you get that loose, you need this 16 to reach where are we? So it is back through here. So not this, but it's like under that. So 16, you got to reach kind of down through here and up to get it. But it's real weird to reach, but that is what you need, and that is the fix. And I hadn't had a leak ever since, so this is full of fluid now. So yeah, no more power steering leak. It's been leaking for forever. The line was like, I think I paid like $30 for the line and then some more fluid. So I really should have did it a long time ago. I was thinking it was more expensive to fix, but yeah, like $30 and however much these wrenches and stuff cost. I'll link one of these on eBay because the ones that were in the store that I bought did not work for me. They didn't have the sharp angles like this one. So I bought a set from AutoZone. There's somewhere in here. Boom, these. So these, they fit on there, but they didn't grip the same. You see, it's just flat, like square almost. So it didn't fit how this one right here fit with the actual, 6 sides or whatever. So these didn't work at all for me. So I had to order this one and wait a couple days from when I did the harmonic balance, and I had to take everything off. So I already had it here when it was time to do this line. But yeah, I'll link one of those. That's what you need. And yeah, new lines. So no more leaks. Hopefully should be some new stuff coming up soon. Got a new job now, so should have a little bit of extra money to play around with. So stick around.